2026 BMW X7 arrives with a commanding presence that instantly tells you this SUV is built for drivers who want more luxury, more power, more technology, and more road-devouring confidence. From the moment it comes into view, the new X7 makes a statement with its redesigned front fascia, a sleeker iteration of BMW's iconic kidney grille, now illuminated and sculpted to blend elegance with aggression. Paired with laser-precision adaptive LED headlights, the X7 presents an unmistakable signature that dominates day or night. Walk around the body and you feel the evolution of BMW's design language. The lines are sharper, the proportions are bold, and the overall stance is wider and more athletic. Every detail, from the chrome accents to the massive optional 23-inch alloy wheels, showcases this SUV's blend of luxury and sport. It doesn't just look premium, it feels alive. The new aero-optimized body panels reduce drag, improve stability, and support the upgraded performance that lies underneath. Step inside and the experience transforms from bold to breathtaking. The 2026 BMW X7 interior is crafted to feel like a personal luxury lounge floating on the road. High-grade merino leather wraps every surface, and the new crystal-cut controls shimmer under ambient lighting that can be customized with dozens of color combinations. The panoramic Sky Lounge LED roof illuminates with dancing patterns at night, giving passengers an experience that feels almost futuristic. Every seating position is spacious, supportive, and refined, whether you choose the standard 7-seat configuration or the executive 6-seat layout with captain's chairs. Front and center, you're greeted by the massive curved BMW Live Cockpit display, a dual-screen setup that seamlessly merges a 14.9-inch infotainment screen with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Powered by BMW's latest iDrive system, this interface is faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever. Voice commands respond instantly, touch reactions are buttery smooth, and the AI-driven personalization adapts to your habits, music preferences, navigation choices, and even your driving style. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the available Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall with impeccable clarity. Under the hood, the 2026 X7 doesn't hold back. The base X-Drive 40i model now features an enhanced 3.0L turbo inline-6 that produces even more horsepower and torque than previous years, delivering smooth, confident acceleration. For drivers who crave more muscle, the X-Drive 50i and M60i variants pack the iconic 4.4L twin-turbo V8, now paired with mild hybrid technology for improved efficiency and instant torque delivery. The result is breathtaking power with a surprisingly refined feel. Launches are sharp, passing power is immediate, and the engine note is pure satisfaction. BMW's X-Drive all-wheel drive system ensures maximum control in all conditions, while the upgraded air suspension with adaptive damping tech automatically adjusts ride height and stiffness based on terrain, speed, and driving mode. Whether you're gliding through city streets, pushing through mountain curves, or cruising at high speeds on the highway, the X7 feels solid, secure, and effortlessly smooth. Switch into sport mode and the SUV tightens up, steering sharpens, throttle response increases, and the entire character of the vehicle transforms into something far more aggressive than its size suggests. In terms of safety and driver assistance, the 2026 BMW X7 is loaded with next-generation technology. The enhanced driving assistant professional suite features improved lane centering, auto lane change, smart adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, traffic jam assist, and collision avoidance that actively monitors the environment in real time. The new 360-degree augmented reality parking system makes tight spaces easier than ever, projecting live surroundings onto your screen with virtual guidance that reacts dynamically to obstacles. Practicality hasn't been compromised either. The X7 offers impressive cargo space, power folding rear seats, multiple storage compartments, and a split tailgate design that remains one of BMW's most convenient features. Whether it's family trips, long-distance adventures, or daily commuting, the 2026 X7 is engineered to handle it all with grace and comfort. Everything about the 2026 BMW X7 is built to elevate the driving experience. It's powerful but gentle, luxurious but athletic, massive yet elegant. It's built for those who enjoy the prestige of a luxury SUV but refuse to sacrifice performance. The X7 manages to be both a family-friendly sanctuary and a commanding machine that turns every drive into something memorable. BMW has taken the flagship SUV formula and perfected it: more advanced tech, more comfort, more capability, and more presence on the road. The 2026 BMW X7 isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement of what modern luxury should feel like: intelligent, powerful, beautifully crafted, and designed to make every journey extraordinary.